Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your ASUS ROG Phone 3, at the first you have to open menu and then open clock application. When you are here, we have to be in the alarms and just take a look on the left corner. And of course, it's very important to activate one of this default alarm. We can also create our own, but let's use this one. So click right here, and if you want to customize, you have to tap on it. And at the first, we can set hours and the minutes by swiping. Next, we can set the repeat. I will go for the Wednesday. We can add label of our record. And also we can go for the changing ringtone. And we can also adjust vibration. And if you want to finish, you have to tap on the right upper corner. And as you can see, here we got our alarm clock. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!